What is good, guys? Today we're starting off the video with a razor blade. You know what that means? Parts for the Civic have arrived, so let's get into it. All right, let's start with this small one real quick. This angle's probably a bit weird with the camera, but oh well, I'm lazy. I don't feel like getting my tripod out for this. And I want to use two hands for opening packages because box opening with one hand and holding the camera sucks. But this is actually stuff for Adam. I'm sure a lot of you guys know by now because Adam's video came out today and this will be a few days after that. But me and Adam are working together, obviously with my company Otaku Garage, with the adapter plates that I developed for putting RB26 intake manifolds and throttle bodies, individual throttle bodies on the 25s and 20s. He's doing that conversion on his car, which is also another thing that I'll be doing today. It's going to the CNC factory and getting some of the fresh run of our new prototype VCT relocation kit that I'll be sending to him so that he can relocate his solenoid and clear the factory water neck and stuff on the 26 manifold. Now let's get back to opening these parts for the Civic. Yes. Are those shoe boxes? They look like shoe boxes in this. All right, let's crack her open. What do we got here? What's going on with this packaging? There we go. All right. First box. It says here EK Civic. Hopefully this is what I need. Hey! Yes! We got a mirror, boys! Whew! There's one mirror. Not a Daihatsu mirror, I mean like side mirrors on a car. And although these are practically the same size as a Daihatsu mirror. A second mirror that aren't all floppy. So yeah, we're all good, we're fixed there. These are black too, so these actually won't look too bad on the car. So we'll put these on today, which means I'll actually be able to see what's going on beside my car. But there are some more parts that are due to arrive today as well, so should be good. I was throwing out the boxes for the mirrors and I felt like there was something still in one of the boxes. And I'm glad I checked because I found that there was another package in there which has my replacement door handle in there as well for the driver's side. So pretty glad I checked that, so this will keep me out of trouble as well. No broken handle on this one. So we're gonna try and put all of this in today, and we're gonna try and also see if we can get those rack ends and stuff too and get the steering feeling better. All right, so time to replace these mirrors here that do this. Like literally, they just flop all over the place. This doesn't even stay anywhere, it moves by itself. When you're driving on the highway, they're like that because it's so much wind and whatnot. Anyway, super easy. Just 3 bolts here by the looks of it, and get yourself a nice screwdriver to get in there. Ah, nice, not too tight. Just gonna take them out, making sure I'm gonna be as careful as I can with one hand to not drop these inside the door card. It's very difficult doing things with your left hand. I'm sure all vloggers understand my pain right now. On the plus side though, my left hand should probably be getting pretty strong from all of this. Just gonna keep on doing that until it falls off. Ah! Did exactly what I didn't want to happen. The screw fell inside the door card. Well. Alright, got the door card off, and hopefully the screw's in here somewhere. Oh, I think I found it. There we go. What is going on here? Oh, that's the old factory wiring, it looks like. Okay, and then that's the new speaker wire that the guy ran just through here like that. Lovely. Oh, it's not even plugged into the speaker here. We'll fix that before we put it all back together. Look at that. Cool. Well, for now, I'll disconnect them both from the speaker so we can put this off to the side. There we go. Now we gotta pull this out too and replace this because that's broke. Lads, look at this, a full normal mirror. How great is that? And it doesn't flip-flop around. We're good. Next thing is the handle in here. One 10mm there, another 10mm there, then we're gonna deal with the lock assembly. Pretty straightforward. Gonna get it out with this sucker, should be enough. We'll go from there. Okay, so this is the old one versus the new one. We've got to like change over the key barrel here, which should just be releasing this kind of pin clamp here, and here. Then that should slide out, slide it into the new one, which also comes with a new clamp and everything on that as well, which is brilliant. So what I'm going to do now is get that off, switch them over, and bolt it back in. Very simple, straightforward. Okay, we should be good now. Yes. We got our handle. Next thing to check is, does it lock? Yep, it sure does. We're good there, guys. Sweet. Put the door card back on, and then we'll change the mirror on the other side. All right, so gotten everything done. We've got a working mirror here, a working mirror there. Got them all set up. I'm just gonna move the car out of the workshop. Then we're gonna go head to that CNC factory and pick up those prototypes I was working on, because we need to send those off tomorrow, and we should be good. It feels so weird driving this thing with actual mirrors. Like, I got so used to having to like pretty much turn around in my seat to check for traffic on the sides that it feels weird to have these. They're such a privilege. Oh man, the things that you just take for granted in cars, eh? So we're just inside the CNC factory right now, and the guys turned out already one of our manifolds, and they've got the inputs there for the VCT relocation kit, and they're about to spin another one up now. So we're gonna see if we can get some footage of that in the CNC machine. See all the different drill bits that it rotates through there? And then it picks what it needs and then just loads it in the machine. So you guys might not be able to see it too well on the glass, but that's one of the manifold pieces there being machined out by this huge CNC machine. It's pretty cool. And then all the individual measurements and stuff all get programmed into here so that it knows exactly what to do. But pretty cool to see this type of stuff done. I am so excited about this. This is so awesome. I could only take one of these with me because I need to finish the other 4, but this is literally the very first prototypes for this kit that we've been working on for probably, I'd say about 4 years now. And just being able to have this is just so good in my hands. But what kind of sucks is I'm sending this off to Adam. He's getting the very first kit to play with. And I don't know, it's just cool as well that he's gonna be the one that's gonna be using it for the very first time as well. So we'll get one of these packaged up and sent to him, and then we'll see what he does with it, hey? Okay, so I'm back at the workshop now, and I just had a little bit of an idea. I was actually about to throw the side mirrors and stuff that we replaced on the Civic today in the dumpster, but then I thought that maybe one of you guys might actually like that and be part of the build, keep it as like a souvenir of like where the Civic started and compared to like as it gets to its final, like, you know, masterpiece, right? So I figured that maybe we could throw these up on the SAMMIT store and you guys could buy them or something like that. I'll sign them if you want, whatever. But you know, just a piece of Sid the Seedy Civic. I think I really like that name. So we'll probably go with that. But yeah, if you guys are interested in maybe grabbing these as souvenirs, please let me know in the comment section. And what I'll do is I'll put them up on the SAMMIT store. We'll make them like 25 bucks or something just to pay for like postage and things. And yeah, I don't know. You guys tell me if that's something you're interested in. So I just finished getting the O-rings and everything sorted for this piece that goes into the head. Actually, let me go get an RB25 head and show you how this all works, and I'll go grab the solenoid too. Okay, so here we have a 25 head, and this is the VCT solenoid that's always in here, and then your intake manifold's normally here as well, right? So this comes out, which then means you have all of this real estate here that you never previously had. So I'll sit that there because that's got a bit of oil on there. Hit that with a rag. Cool. So what this does is this piece that we've machined up slides in here, replaces the entire solenoid, and you tighten that up and gives you a 1/8 MPT fitting here, and then you can run a braided line to anywhere in the engine bay, wherever you want to put this block, and then you extend the wiring for the sensor as well. And what happens is the little manifold, we'll call this a manifold, that's really what this is. This slides in here, and then this seals in this block, right? Just like that. So then you can put this anywhere in your engine bay. And what you can then do is run the braided line from the head to here, and then here to any oil feed off the engine block. And what that does is there's always oil pressure on this side, and then the moment the solenoid triggers, it lets the oil flow into this side, which then goes through the line into the head, which then triggers your VCT. So there you go. So that's how we're relocating the solenoid. And another good thing, see, geez, just got oil all over that. Sorry, Adam, I dirtied your new part. That's all right, I'm sure he'll be fine with that. It's all lubricated now. So the day's ended and I've got a live stream going on right now with you guys. We do these weekly, so make sure you have notifications turned on and hit that bell when you're subscribed to the channel, because we do these AMAs once a week and it's always a good time. Check out all the crabs going down right now, that's right. And also tonight, I just want to do a huge shout out to tonight's MVP, Harley. Mate, you're amazing, thank you so much. Okay, I'm still at the workshop. I've been making a bad habit of hanging around here late after work, just catching up on bookkeeping and things like that. It's like 9:30 right now. I finished the live stream a long time ago, and I really should have left a long time ago, but I don't know. I just like being here because it's peace and quiet and I don't get distracted. And then the other bonus is I get to catch up on everything. But I need to head home. We got to edit the video that's going to go up at 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. Then I got to get up early in the morning so that I can get here on time, because I want to actually get ahead of everything tomorrow. Tomorrow's Friday, so I want to get the diff out of Wayne's car, dropped off to Hearts, get that all assembled and back together, hopefully get Wayne's car rolling and driving again. Then I want to get on top of all the orders from overnight, get everything bookkeeping wise up to date and where it needs to be. And then I'm hoping by lunchtime I can jump on the tools and help Kyle out and make a really epic vlog tomorrow. Things have been crazy. Tonight's live stream was just amazing, and thank you so much to everyone who hanged out. So once again, I can't stress, make sure you have the bell turned on for notifications so you don't miss out when I go live with these live streams. I do them once a week. Times can vary, but it's normally in the afternoon, Oz time, early morning, US time. But with that, guys, we're gonna jump in the Civic and head home. I'm gonna try and do some cool pulls and stuff and just try and let you guys hear the sound of the D16 raw. It's got this crappy little muffler on the back, which I want to show you in daylight because the tip's like snapped off it. It's really funny. Anyways, enough talking. Let's just go straight to the Civic. Alrighty, time for some Civic pulls. Let's let you listen to this raw D16. Well, we'll wait till we get around the corner because I'm in the wet. Here we go. Let's max out second. Limiter. Oh man, little D16. She's so gutless, but it's so much fun because it's a little light chassis. Woo! Hitting the limiter. Oh man, this thing's fun. Whew. I love me a good Honda. This thing sounds amazing. Yeah, mang, 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 mang. That torque steer. Oh man, that was fun. Okay, so I'm home now. Let's do our Japanese lesson. Today, I'm gonna teach you ki. As you can see there, that's the symbol. The first one on the list there is kimono. And then it's gonna go to kiro, which is yellow. And then kinyobi, which is Friday. So check out those Japanese words. They're actually all really important words, especially if you're starting to learn Japanese. Kimono is the traditional dress that's kind of worn by women in winter. And then kiro, yellow. Yellow is something important, I guess, when you're talking about traffic lights and things like that. That's a good thing to know. And then kinyobi, which is Friday. It's another important thing, like if you want to meet friends on Friday and stuff like that, you need to learn that word. No one really knows like the English words, like days of the week, like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. They struggle with it. Like, you know, they don't really, like they get taught that in school, but they don't remember that because that's not their language. So yeah, kind of an important one. Hope you enjoyed. That's key. Now wrapping up today. I feel super productive because we got those new prototypes finished. Got a few of those spare as well that I can give to some other people that want to grab them as soon as possible, who urgently need them. We're going to go into full production, providing that everything works out a-okay and there's no issues or requests from Adam where he would like to see changes made and stuff like that. He's kind of like being a little bit of the guinea pig here for us on that one, just because like we know the kit actually works. It's just hydraulics and oil pressure. So we've tested that on the bench, done a bench test, everything's all good and working there. So we know there's not going to be a problem with the kit, but like design wise, if he wants to see us change something, like that's something we'll do before we do the full production run, right? And make a couple hundred of them. So yeah, that felt really productive. And then just getting a whole bunch of bookkeeping stuff done for the business sorted out, Today's live stream was super cool. Once again, guys, can't stress, have notifications turned on, don't miss out on the next live stream. They're a lot of fun. But yeah, I don't know, I'm pretty content today, feel good. Civic's going great. We got those mirrors and stuff on there. It feels awesome actually driving it now and having all of that. I think tomorrow some more parts are arriving for it, lighting wise, LED lights and stuff like that. So we need to get all of that stuff sorted out too, because I can't even see how fast I'm going. It's so dark on the dash, so need to fix that. And then I found another huge issue with the center part of the dash where the head unit is. There's a whole bunch of wiring issues there. We'll get into detail in tomorrow's video. But anyways, guys, I really still hope you enjoyed this video. I know it wasn't super awesome and hype and everything, but the Civic is slowly getting better and better, and I hope you guys enjoyed the progress today. I will catch you all in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Check me out on Instagram, SAMMIT01. Peace out, guys. Ja mata ne.